Based on your requirement, sometimes you want to assign pin numbers to your component. For example, here I have a component which has 2 pins and the numbers are assigned. Here, to create such this attribute, you can just use pins area in the edit component dialog box. So I'm going to open the edit component dialog box again. To do that, I want to use marking menu. Therefore, I just click on the component that I need to assign pin number. Then right click on it and I select the edit component. After that, the edit box will be shown, and in the pins area, we have 1 and 2 edit boxes. Beside these edit boxes, you can see the arrow buttons which are located here and can be used to increase or decrease the values in the edit boxes. After that, by pressing OK button, the pin numbers as shown here are assigned to the component.